Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala is an iconic classic car known for its sleek design, powerful engine options, and cultural significance, especially in American pop culture. Here are the full details. General overview: manufacturer, Chevrolet, a division of General Motors. Model year, 1967. Body styles: two-door hardtop coupe. Four-door hardtop sedan, notable for its role in pop culture, e.g. the TV show Supernatural. Convertible. Station wagon. Platform, B-body. Layout: front engine, rear-wheel drive. Dimensions: wheelbase, 119 inches, coupe and sedan. Length, 213.2 inches. Width, 79.6 inches. Height, 54.9 inches, coupe. Curb weight, approximate, 3,600 to 4,200 pounds depending on the configuration. Exterior design: redesigned body with a more streamlined and aggressive look compared to the 1966 model. Curved rear quarter panels giving it a distinctive fastback appearance. Dual headlamps integrated into the grille for a sleeker front-end look. Optional vinyl roof for hardtop models. Interior features: spacious cabin with seating for up to 6 passengers. Optional bucket seats and center console for sportier configurations. Available with deluxe trim, including wood grain accents and upgraded upholstery. Advanced, for the time, dashboard design with a horizontal speedometer. Engine options: 1. Inline, 6, 250 cubic inches, 4.1 L, 155 horsepower. 2. Small block V8S, 283 cubic inches, 4.6 L, 195 horsepower, 327 cubic inches, 5.4 L, 275 horsepower. 3. Big block V8S, 396 cubic inches, 6.5 L, up to 325 horsepower, 427 cubic inches, 7.0 L, up to 385 horsepower, in the SS427 model. Transmission options: 3-speed manual. 4-speed manual. 2-speed power glide automatic. 3-speed turbo hydromatic automatic, available with larger V8S. Performance: known for its smooth ride and powerful acceleration, especially with the big block V8S, rear-wheel drive configuration provided a sporty driving experience. Well regarded for its handling and stability due to its long wheelbase. Special editions: Impala SS, Super Sport sport-oriented version with enhanced performance and styling. Special badging, bucket seats, and upgraded suspension. The SS427 variant was the highest performance model, featuring the 427 V8. Cultural significance: the 1967 Chevrolet Impala gained immense popularity due to its appearance as the Metallica in the TV show Supernatural, driven by the character Dean Winchester. It is celebrated among classic car enthusiasts for its timeless design and powerful engine options. Collectability and value: the 1967 Impala is highly sought after by collectors, especially the SS models and the 4-door hardtop due to its cultural significance. Prices vary depending on condition, originality, and model type, with the SS427 versions commanding the highest values. Would you like more details on a specific model or restoration tips? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.